Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Lyft account without using your phone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device and you will see the Get Started button. Tap on Get Started and now you will directly be asked to enter your phone number to log in. In order to avoid using your phone, tap on New Phone Number Find Account. You will now be asked to enter your email address. So type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address box and then tap on the next button. You will then be asked to check your email to find a link from Lyft. So go ahead and open up this email and you will see the Recover My New Phone Number option. You can then tap on this option and then you will need to enter your new phone in order to continue using your account. So type in your new phone number and tap on the next button, and after entering the verification text, you will be logged back into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to log into your Lyft account without using your phone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.